Wake up, to English. Mastering the phrasal verb, wake up. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of English phrasal verbs, the phrase, wake up. It's a commonly used term, and by the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Let's dive into this exciting topic. Wake up is a phrasal verb, a combination of a verb and a preposition. Wake is the verb and up is the preposition. This term is often used to describe the action of stopping sleep or of making someone else stop sleeping. Example: I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. She woke me up in the middle of the night. Note: the second example shows how wake up can be split by the object of the verb, in this case, me. Apart from the literal meaning, wake up can also be used in a figurative sense. It means becoming aware or alert to something, especially something that you should have understood or noticed before. Example: it's time to wake up and realize the impact of our actions on the environment. As with other verbs, wake up can be used in different tenses. Remember, the verb wake will change according to the tense, but the preposition up remains the same. Example: simple past, I woke up late yesterday. Present continuous, I am waking up now. Future simple, I will wake up early tomorrow. Just like any other verb, wake up can also be used in negative sentences and questions. Example: negative, I didn't wake up on time today. Question: did you wake up early this morning? That's it, folks. Now you know how to use the phrasal verb, wake up, in different contexts and tenses. Remember, the best way to master English is to practice, so try using wake up in your daily conversations. We hope this lesson has awakened your interest in phrasal verbs. Until next time, happy learning!